gonna get it. It's gonna get it. Watch the ball. Watch the ball.
Kayla says she may or may not come. My other best friend in the whole world.
Oh, I missed it, dude.
I remember as soon as I met Henry.
Bummer. All right, come on. No, you guys sit. Sit. Now your turn, yeah. Kiara's turn.
We said what?
It's like these little things.
Do it, Zach.
Now.
Go.
Let's say how to get ball. That's kind of impossible. It's like, I don't know how you.
Oh, look. Oh my God!
No, right?
Oh my gosh! Where is this guy? It's over here, Ram. What is that? Oh, that's so nice.
5 minutes later.
Oh, it's still there.
He's gonna get a ramp for him? Yeah. Ah, bummer, Zach. No. Wait. All right, it's still his turn, right? Marcus, help him. Help him throw it. Marcus, help you.
Wait, Zach.
Gotta throw it faster. You said kick it?
Like ball forward. No, seriously, I remember in gym, I'm running and start running.
No, come with Marcus. Marcus, turn it a little bit to the left. There you go.
I used to do, when there was like a pin on that side, I would roll it to that side.
Push it. Push it hard. Tell him push it hard, Marcus. Go, Zach. Zach, go with Marcus. Push it. Push the ball. Push it. Aw, Marcus!